The United States Commission on International Religious Freedom asked the US government to classify India as a country of particular concern, along with other countries like Pakistan, North Korea, China, and Saudi Arabia. The USCIRF is an advisory body to the US Congress. India has rejected the observations in the report and said that its biased and tendentious comments against India are not new, but on this occasion, its misrepresentation has reached new levels. Maharashtra and Gujarat account for almost 60% of all COVID-19 related deaths in the country. On Tuesday, the states together reported over 50 coronavirus related deaths as the total number of dead in the country reached close to 1,000. Together, Maharashtra and Gujarat now have seen the deaths of at least 583 people, while in India the coronavirus cases have risen to 31,332 with 7,695 recoveries. A mob in Howrah near Kolkata targeted police personnel who were trying to impose a lockdown in a COVID-19 hotspot. 2 personnel were injured as cops tried to disperse a huge crowd that had gathered at a roadside market. The mob also stoned a police outpost and 2 police vehicles were ransacked. A huge police team was sent to the area to restore order. A CRPF battalion in Delhi has reported 47 cases of coronavirus, including 1 Jawan who died yesterday. The entire battalion of nearly 1,000 people have been quarantined. The Jawan who died was 55 years old and had diabetes and hypertension. The 31st Battalion of the CRPF in East Delhi's Mayur Vihar has seen a massive spike in the number of cases in the last couple of days. Researchers mapping the genome of the coronavirus in India have not found any India-specific strain that would indicate that the disease in the country is different from the ones infecting lakhs across the globe. The gene sequence is the building block of the virus or any organism, understanding which can help in understanding the pattern of infection, the trajectory of the outbreak, and help develop a vaccine or a drug. The Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences has suspended the movie theatre rule for a year in the backdrop of the coronavirus crisis. Traditionally, the Academy requires at least a 7-day run in Los Angeles theatres for movies to be eligible for Hollywood's biggest prize. The Academy said in a statement that for the 93rd Academy Awards only, films that had a previously planned theatrical release but are initially made available on a commercial streaming platform may qualify.